Hello, guys. Well, I was trying to install a new stereo for my Saab BioPower 2007 model, but actually, when I installed it, there were no sound at all. It was functioning, but there is no audio. So after a little bit research, I found that there is an amplifier in this car. That maybe upgrade the sound for some reason. I don't know why. So this is the old stereo here. It's GM stereo, and as I knew, there is an amplifier system under the driver chair. But anyway, I didn't go into that amplifier, because I didn't really need it. But what I did is, as we can see here, what it says on the stereo, there goes the 12 volts direct, and there goes the ground. And we have here the speakers, and then front shield, and phone, and then RMT enable. The RMT enable is the whole idea, You have to give this one here 12 volts so you can run the amplifier. Usually that will take the power from here, from the stereo. It will come from that 12 volts, and then there's a circle here, and it goes back to the amplifier to turn it on, and then you can get the sound. So it was very easy, really, and very simple. I have just got a wire from the battery, and I have installed the relay, and I got the power from the light up, and I made the relay so we can control it from here. When we turn on the car, it will get the electricity, and then the amplifier works, and then also the stereo works. Because unfortunately, there is no how to say that, like the one click, the first start, to give the order to stereo to work, because here there should be speaker, and then we have here illumination light, memory. Okay, this one here, the ignition switch, ACC. Well, this one is not there, there is no switch from here. The stereo will not, there in the communication inside the stereo, it's not available. I have checked all of them, but there is nothing, not even one of them, that gives the ACC, when you start the switch on. So I had to get switch from outside the car, from the light, and just install a small relay to protect the circle, and then it will be okay. So the simplest, if you want to install an LCD stereo for your car or whatever you want to install, you have to know that this wire here, this one here, that should take 12 volts to turn on the amplifier. So this is what I did. Actually, I have just got the cable from outside, from my circle. It's actually, I think it's bad actually, but it was idea, and it works actually. So yeah, I have give the stereo also for ACC switch, and then I took another line for the amplifier to work. And when I install the sounds, as you can see here, it's a little bit messy, but I'll just, yeah, I think we can try it. And here's the key. Check here. We have to make sure those two will not touch each other. It's very risky. You may damage the sound IC in your stereo. So you have to tape them actually, but I'm just trying now. So as you see, now the stereo works. And we will check if the sound works as well. So far, so good. Yeah. And here's the sound. Actually, there's no signal, nothing. This is just the FM. So the idea works. It was very simple. You don't need to buy anything. You don't need to buy like a amplifier, bypass, firewall, something. There is many things, I made research of, and I even bought this thing for nothing. It will just reduce the sound of the stereo, for some reason. Maybe because there is an amplifier, so it will upgrade the sound, or it will get more power. Yeah. So this is very easy. Just get 12 volts to this cable and install your wires correctly. As you see them here, you should just follow the plus and the minus for speakers front, and in the other jack you have here for the back, just these two. Don't care about anything else, and it will work. Thank you very much for watching. I just wanted to share this information with you guys, so if anyone has the same problem, have a nice day.